Welcome guys. From last few posts on Instagram, you are all asking for the dimensions and tutorials of part design. So in this video, we are going to draw this part. So here you can see the drawing. This is very easy part. You can see here the total height of this part is 75 mm and the total length of this part is this 15 mm plus 150 mm again 15 mm. So the total length of this part is 180 mm. What we are going to do, we are going to make this base first and again the upper part. Okay, so first we go to the SolidWorks, open part design. Okay, so select top plane and sketch. So here you can see for making this base we need to draw this external profile. There are two holes of diameter 15 and they are 150 mm apart. So let's draw the two holes. So basically we are first going to draw two axes, the vertical axis, and again we are going to draw the horizontal axis. Okay, so here we are going to draw one hole and again here one hole. So the dimension of the hole is diameter 15. Okay, so escape, select this, control, again select this and make it equal. Okay, the center to center distance is 150 mm. So here you can see this distance is less and this is more. So select this circle, the vertical axis and the second circle and make it symmetrical. Now you can see this is defined. So the next step is draw this outer circle of radius 15. Okay, so circle and then okay, smart dimension. So the radius of this circle is 15, so the diameter will be 15 into 2, 30 mm. Okay, go to mirror entities, select this circle and mirror about vertical axis. Okay, so next step is, here you can see the center circle is radius 30 mm. Okay, so the diameter of this circle will be 60 mm and this is from the center point of this circle is from origin. Okay, so we need to draw again a circle, from origin, and the diameter of this circle is 60 mm. Okay, now here you can see these are the lines that are tangent to both circles. The four lines are tangent to both. So what we are going to do here, we are not going to do draw four lines different. Just we are going to draw one line and we are mirror all this. Okay, so select this point and again tangent point. Okay, so select this circle and this line and form tangency. Okay, so this is over defined, so delete the relation. You can see here already tangency is formed. So what we are going to do, go to mirror entities, select the line and mirror about the horizontal axis. Okay, again go to mirror entities, select two lines and mirror about vertical axis. Okay, so the profile is properly created and the sketch is fully defined. So we have to trim the extra part. So go to trim entities, select power trim. Okay, so trim this, again this. We don't need this part. Okay, so okay, then make it okay, exit this sketch. So here you can see the total height of this base up to this cut is 45 mm and again 30 mm. So the height of this base is not given anywhere, So we are considering that this 30 and this will also be 30. So the remaining 15 is the height of this base. Okay. So we are going to give 15 height to this part. So features, extruded boss base, and then 15 enter. Okay. So our base is properly done. So the next step is we are making the upper cylindrical circle. So the again the radius 30 circle, and the height of this upper part is total 75 minus this 15, so 60 So select this surface, sketch, make it normal, then again select circle, and from origin the dimension of the circle is diameter 60 Okay, then go to features, extruded boss base, and the total height of this extruded boss base is 60 Okay, so the next step is we are going to make these two cuts. So the first cut, the center cut is, you can see the center cut is up to this surface, and the cut is made by two lines which are 15 apart from each other. So we are going to draw these lines. Go to the part, select this face. Okay, then sketch, again select this face and convert entities. So here you can see the sketch of the surface is converted into this. So here also we need to make the horizontal axis. Okay, so this is our horizontal axis, and we are going to make two lines. So this line, a horizontal line. Okay, so both lines are 15 apart from each other, so this distance will be 15 divided by 2. Okay, again we are going to mirror entities, select the line, mirror about horizontal axis, then okay. So now we have to trim the extra part, power trim. We don't need this circle, again this circle. Okay, then okay, then now select the feature, extruded cut, and here change this blind to up to surface. From up to which surface? Up to this surface. Okay, so here you can see the preview, then select okay. So we properly make this cut. Again here you can see the external two cuts are made by the line which are 35 away from each other. So let's make these two lines. For this we are going to make a reference plane. Okay, so select reference plane, reference geometry plane, and first reference is this surface, and the total height of this extruded part is 60 so we are going to make plane on 60 Okay, enter. So we have a new plane. Go to the plane, sketch, and make it normal. So again select this face and this face and convert entities. So this sketch will be converted. Okay, then select line and make a line here, a horizontal line. Okay, then make a horizontal axis also for the dimension purpose. Then select dimensions. This dimension is 35 divided by 2. Okay, again we are going to mirror entities, select this line and mirror about center line. Okay, select okay. So we have to trim the extra part. Go to trim, power trim. So trim this part, don't need this for cutting. Okay, so we accidentally delete the horizontal axis. Okay, so again draw the horizontal axis here, and give the dimension of 35 divided by 2, so 17.50 enter. Then again go to mirror entities, select this line and mirror about horizontal axis, select. Okay, so we have to trim the extra part, so go to trim entities, power trim. So trim this inner part. Okay, this again, this one, and this one. Okay, so okay, go to features, extruded cut, and this cut we can see here, the depth of this cut is 30 mm only. So give the depth 30 mm and enter. Okay, hide the upper plane. So this part is 90% done now. The only remaining part is the drill. Okay, this drill is through all. So here you can see the drill is, vertical distance of this drill is 60 mm and the horizontal distance is 90 mm, and the diameter of this drill is 512. So the diameter is 12 mm. So let's make the drill. For making the drill, select this surface, go to sketch, make it normal again, and select circle. Okay, so here you can see automatically the center point is tracking the origin. Make a circle, give smart dimension of 12. Again, smart dimension, the horizontal distance is how much? 90 mm. Okay, okay, and the vertical distance is, vertical distance of the circle is from center point to the baseline is 60 mm. Okay, so again this sketch is fully defined. So exit the sketch, go to features, go to extruded cut, and here select through all, both. Okay, so here the part is finished, you can see here. So we are going to make this color on our part. So go to the SolidWorks, select the part, you select this option, and again select the color dark green, and okay. So this part is finished now. Just take a screenshot. Okay.